Hello and welcome to Understanding the Software Development Lifecycle course. In this session, we will delve into the different phases and methodologies of the SDLC. Whether you are a developer, project manager, or just curious about the software development process, this course will provide you with a solid foundation. Introduction to the SDLC. Let's kick things off by understanding what the software development lifecycle is all about. What is the SDLC? SDLC is a structured process used to design, develop, test, and deploy software applications. It outlines the various stages a software project goes through, ensuring a systematic and well-managed approach to building software. Importance of the SDLC. We will explore how the SDLC enhances collaboration, reduces risks, improves project management, and ultimately leads to delivering high quality software. Phases of the SDLC. Now, let's dive into the different phases that make up the SDLC. Requirements gathering. We will discuss how requirements are collected from stakeholders, analyzed, and documented to form the foundation of the project. System design. Learn how the system's architecture and components are designed, including data structures, algorithms, and the overall technique infrastructure. Implementation. This phase involves coding, where developers write the actual code based on the design specifications. Testing. Discover how software testing plays a crucial role in identifying defects, ensuring functionality, and validating the software's quality. Deployment. We will discuss the deployment process, where the software is released to users either in a controlled environment or in production. Maintenance. Learn about post-deployment activities, including bug fixes, updates, and enhancement to ensure the software's ongoing reliability. SDLC methodologies. Not all software projects follow the same path. Let's explore different SDLC methodologies. Waterfall model. We will discuss the traditional waterfall model where each phase is completed sequentially before moving to the next. Agile methodologies. Explore Agile, a flexible and intuitive approach that emphasizes collaboration, frequent releases, and customer feedback. Scrum framework. Learn about Scrum, a popular Agile framework that divides work into time-bound iterations called sprints. Choosing the right SDLC methodologies. Selecting the right methodology is crucial. Let's explore factors that influences this decision. Project complexity. We will discuss how the project's complexity influences the choice between waterfall, agile, or other methodologies. Customer involvement. Learn how the level of customer involvement and feedback impacts the choice of an SDLC methodology. Congratulations, you have completed the Understanding the Software Development Lifecycle course. We have covered the basis of the SDLC, its phases, methodologies, and factors to consider when choosing the right approach. Thank you for joining us in this informative session. Whether you are a developer, project manager, or a curious learner, understanding the SDLC is essential in the world of software development.